Good day, everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to factor special products. So our objective is to identify and factor special products including difference of squares, perfect squares, and sum and difference of cubes. So, as you can see dito sa ating objectives, you have only four special products. So, we have difference of squares, meron tayong perfect squares, meron tayong sum of cubes, and of course, the difference of cubes. So, meron tayong apat lang. Okay? So, bakit nga ba tinawag itong special products? When we say special products, there are patterns na makikita natin kaagad when we factor expressions. So, for example, we have difference of square. Nandun na sa pangalan niya, self-explanatory. We have difference. Ibig sabihin lang yan, we have minus. Then squares, as you can see, yung mga terms natin may mga um, exponent na 2. Now, if we have a squared minus b squared, the factor form is a plus b minus a minus b. Okay? If you are subtracting two perfect squares, then it will always factor to the sum and difference of the square root. For example, we have x squared minus 16. Okay? So as you can see, um, we can first step, tingnan muna ninyo kung minus yung operation. So, check na yon. Now, what is the square root of x squared? We have x. You just need to divide the exponent by 2. What is the square root of 16? We have 4. Okay, since the terms are square roots, pwede nating makuha yung square root. So, our factor here is x plus 4 or and x minus 4. Ulitin ko, x plus 4 times x minus 4. Sir, pwede bang magkabaligtad x minus 4 times x plus 4? Pwede. So, pwede rin or you can say na x minus 4, x plus 4. Okay? Pwede magkabaligtad since multiplication are commutative. Okay, how about this? 9a squared minus 25b squared. What do you think is the factor of this difference of a square? Okay, tingnan nga natin. We have square root of 9a squared. So, square root of 9 muna, we have 3. Square root of a squared, a. Okay, correct. Square root of 25b squared. Since nakakuha tayo, proceed tayo sa susunod. Square root of 25, 5. Square root of b squared, b. Okay, so we have 3a and 5b. So we have the factor of 9a squared minus 25b squared is simply 3a plus 5b times 3a minus 5b. Or pwede rin yung kanina, 3a minus 5b times 3a plus 5b. Next, last, we have a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. Baka sabihin nyo, sir, hindi na yung difference of a square kasi hindi na 2 yung ating exponent. So, example pa rin yan ng difference of square. Okay? Tingnan natin. Yung kanyang operation is minus. So, square root of a raised to 4, divide lang natin ng 2 yung kanyang exponent. We have a squared. Okay? Square root of b raised to 4 is b squared. Okay? 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, we have a squared plus b squared times a squared minus b squared. Okay? So, ganyan yung difference of square. Ulitin ko, dapat kapag may nakita kayong difference of square, meron siyang minus operation, makukuha natin kaagad yung square root ng mga two terms natin. Then, we have the sum and difference of the square roots, yung factor ng difference of square. Next, we have x raised to 4 minus 16. So, square root of x raised to 4, we have x squared, correct? Square root of 16, square root of, is 4. So, the factored form is x squared plus 4 times x squared minus 4. Okay, that's difference of square. Next, perfect square. Okay, dapat ano yan, it should be perfect square trinomial. Okay? Bakit nga ba siya tinawag na perfect square trinomial? Okay, nandun na siya, nandun na rin sa pangalan niya, perfect square. Okay? If we have a trinomial like this, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, we can factor it out by a plus b squared. For example, we have that x squared minus 6x plus 9. Okay? Titignan natin ngayon yung ating factor nito. So, unahin muna natin itong a and b natin. Square root muna natin sila. So, square root of x squared, we have x. Very good. Square root of 9, we have 3. Ngayon, kapag nakuha nyo na yung square root ng a at saka b natin, kunin natin ngayon yung nasa gitna or middle term natin. So, 2 times a b. So, tingnan natin kung 6x yan. So, we have 2 times x times 3 equals 2 times x, 2x. 2x times 3, we have 6x. Since positive yung ating sign dito at negative doon, magiging negative dapat yung b natin, negative 3. So, since parehas naman sila, so we have a factored form of x minus 3 squared. Okay? Or, parehas lang yan sa x minus 3 times x minus 3. Okay? Next. For x squared plus 20xy plus 25y squared. Ganun din lang. Square root, we have square root of 4, 2. Square root of x squared, x. Square root of 25, 5. Square root of y squared, y. Ngayon, tingnan ninyo yung sign ng middle part natin. Since plus, positive yung sa b natin. Tingnan natin kung parehas sila dito. 2 times 2x times 5y. Unahin nyo muna yung numerical coefficient. 2 times 2, 4 times 5, 20. X times y, xy. Are they the same? Yes. So meaning lang niyan, we have 2x plus 5y squared. Or simply, 2x simply expanded, we have 2x plus 5y times 2x plus 5y. Okay? And last, I think this is last. Okay, this is the last example. And the last special products, we have the sum of cubes and the difference of cubes. Para lang siyang difference of squares. But here we have cubes. Ibig sabihin ng cubes, our exponent is 3. Okay? Ngayon, sir, medyo mahaba naman yung kanilang factored form. So we have a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times the quantity of a squared minus ab plus b squared. And kapag meron tayong minus naman, we have a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Ngayon, tandaan nyo itong sasabihin ko. We have the, ayan, mnemonic na SOAP. Ibig sabihin ng SOAP, we have same sign. Ibig sabihin ng O, opposite sign. And AP stands for always positive. Okay, ulitin ko yung SOAP. We have same sign, opposite sign, and always positive. So, saan yan galing? So, we have A cube plus B cube. Okay. Since meron tayong plus dito, so gagamitin nga natin ngayon yung SOAP. So we have A same sign plus B times A squared. Opposite ng plus, we have minus AB, always positive. So plus, so we have B squared. Kaya, yan yung SOAP. Ganon din sa A cube minus B cube. Our operation is minus. So we have A, same sign, so minus B times A squared. Opposite, we have plus AB, always positive. So we have plus B squared. Okay? So kung ipapamemorize ko to, you can use this mnemonic technique. So we have same opposite, always positive or SOAP method. Okay, for example, we have m cubed minus 27. Tingnan muna natin kung pwedeng silang i-cube root. So cube root. I-divide nyo lang ng 3 yung ating exponent. So we have m, cube root of 27 on your calculator is 3. Pwede. Ngayon, ang operation natin ay minus. So difference of cubes yan. Since, kunyari, hindi ko siya ipapakita itong part na ito, you can use the SOAP method. Okay, so SOAP. So we have m, same sign, we have minus 3 times m squared, opposite, so plus AB. So ipag-times natin yung A at saka B. So 3m, always positive, plus 9. Okay? Saan nakuha yung 9? 3 squared. Okay? So yan yung factored form ng m cubed minus 27. We have m minus 3 times m squared plus 3m plus 9. Next, we have 125p cubed plus 8r cubed. So we have sum of cubes. Square root, square root. So we have square root, cube root. It should be cube root. Pati rin kanina, it should be cube root. So cube root, we have cube root of 125 is 5. Okay? Cube root of p cube, we have p. Okay? Then, cube root of 8, 2. Cube root of r cube, r. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung SOAP method. So, SOAP, always positive. So, we have 5p, same sign. So, plus 2r times, so 5p squared is 25p squared. Okay? Opposite, we have minus. Pag times nyo lang ang 5p times 2r. So we have 10pr. Always positive, plus 2r squared. 2r squared is 4r squared. So yan na yung factor ng 125p cube plus 8r cube. So we have 5p plus 2r is equal to 25p squared minus 10pr plus 4r squared. Okay? Wag lagi niyong tatandaan, ito yung mga special products natin. 4 lang kasi yan lang yung may mga madaling pattern. So we have difference of square, perfect square, trinomial. Dapat may trinomial ito, students. Trinomial, sum of cubes, and difference of cubes. Don't forget these techniques para hindi na kayo factor mano-mano. Okay, so that's it, and thank you for listening.